Hello, my wonderful student David. Welcome to our beautiful learning space. Today, we are going to talk about something truly magical, something that belongs to you and only you.
Oh, Emily, I am so happy to be here. I can feel the energy already. What is this magical topic we are exploring today?
We are talking about time, and specifically how to manage your time so you can live your most vibrant, extraordinary life.
Time. Wow, it is the one thing we can never get back, isn't it? Sometimes I feel like it just slips through my fingers like sand at the beach.
With deep empathy. That is such a poetic way to put it, David. It does feel like sand, doesn't it? But imagine if you could catch those grains of sand and turn them into gold. That is what time management is.
Turning sand into gold. I love that. But Emily, it feels so difficult. There are so many things to do every single day. Where do we even begin?
We begin with our hearts, David. We must decide what is truly important. Have you ever heard the story of the glass jar and the big rocks?
The glass jar? No, I haven't. Please tell me. I am so ready to listen.
Expressively. Imagine you have a jar. If you fill it with small pebbles and sand first, there is no room for the big rocks. But if you put the big rocks in first, the family, the health, the learning, the small things will fit in the gaps around them.
Oh, that is just incredible. So the big rocks are the things that truly matter. My English studies are a big rock for me, Emily.
With dramatic praise. Yes, exactly. Bravo, David. Your growth is a massive, beautiful rock. When you prioritize it, the rest of the world finds its place.
Excitedly. But what about the thieves of time? You know, those little things that steal my focus? Like checking my phone or worrying about the past.
Ooh, those thieves are very sneaky. Can you imagine how much more peace you would have if you closed the door on them for just 1 hour a day?
Thoughtfully, I think I would feel free. It is like giving myself a gift of quiet and focus.
Yes, it is a gift. Time management is not a chore, David. It is an act of self-love. You are telling yourself, my dreams are worth my time.
Inspired. My dreams are worth my time. I am going to write that down. It makes me feel so powerful to think of it that way.
Warmly. You are powerful, David. Now, tell me, what is one small thing you can do tomorrow to manage your time better?
With excitement, I think I will start my morning by choosing my 3 big rocks for the day before I even look at my phone.
Oh, marvelous. Simply marvelous. That is a golden habit. Can you feel how much lighter your spirit will be?
Happily, I can. I feel like I am finally taking the steering wheel of my own life. This is more than just a lesson. It's a new way to live.
Softly and tenderly, it truly is. Every minute is a heartbeat, David, and you are learning to make those heartbeats dance.
Gratefully. Thank you, Emily. Your words always make me feel like I can achieve anything. I feel so motivated to protect my time now.
With a grand, encouraging gesture. And you shall. Go forth today, David, and treat your time like the precious treasure it is. I am so proud of you.
With a bright smile. Thank you, Emily. I will see you very soon. I am off to go find my big rocks.
Joyfully. Goodbye for now, David. Keep shining. Hello, my wonderful student David. Oh, it is a magnificent day to learn together. Are you ready to dive deep into the most mysterious, most precious topic in the whole world?
I am so ready, Emily. My heart is racing because I have been thinking about this all morning. We are talking about time.
Yes, time. It is the golden thread that connects our past, our present, and our beautiful, shining future. It is invisible, yet we feel it every single second.
That is so true. Sometimes, Emily, I feel like time is a river. It just keeps flowing, and I am trying to swim along with it.
What a stunning metaphor, David. A river. You are using such beautiful English. Tell me, does the river ever feel like it is moving too fast for you?
Oh, yes, especially when I am practicing English with you. The hour disappears in what feels like a heartbeat. Can you imagine where it goes?
I call that the magic of joy. We have a special saying in English. Time flies when you are having fun. It means when your heart is happy, the clock moves like a bird in flight.
Time flies. I love that. It makes me feel like my happiness has wings. But Emily, what about when I am waiting for something? Then time feels like a slow, heavy stone.
Oh, I hear you, David. That is the duality of time. But think of this. We can save time, we can spend time, and we can even make time.
Confused but curious. Make time. How can we make something that is already there? That sounds like a superpower.
It is a superpower. When you love something, like learning this beautiful language, you make time in your busy day to focus on it. You prioritize your dreams.
Oh, that reminds me. I made time this morning to read a poem before breakfast. It made the whole day feel more meaningful.
Bravo! That is just incredible. You are not just learning words, you are learning how to live a rich life. You are doing so wonderfully, David.
Gratefully. Thank you, Emily. Your encouragement is like a gift. But I have a question. Is it ever too late to start something new?
Never. It is never, ever too late. Time is not a race, my dear friend. It is a journey. Whether you are 20 or 80, the present moment is always the perfect time to begin.
Softly, the present moment. I like that. It's like a gift, right? That is why it is called the present.
Look at you. You found the hidden treasure in the English language. Yes, the present is a gift. You are a natural philosopher, David.
I am just a student who is very excited to learn from you. I realize now that I shouldn't worry about the years behind me.
Nodding slowly. Exactly. Don't look back with sadness. Look forward with hope. Every minute you spend learning today is a seed you are planting for tomorrow.
Then I will plant many seeds. I will spend my time wisely. I want my river to be full of growth and new words.
My heart is so full hearing you say that. Remember, David, time is the only thing we can never get back, so we must cherish every single tick-tock of the clock.
Excitedly, I will. This conversation has changed how I look at my watch. It isn't just numbers, it is an invitation to live.
What a perfect way to end our lesson. You have been absolutely brilliant today. Go out there and make the most of your beautiful golden time.
With a big smile, I will, Emily. Thank you for the inspiration. I cannot wait for our next second together.